Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with your readings. So again, this is pick a card. So you can pick the card. This is card 1 and this is card 2. I shall give you a couple of seconds to connect with your divine or your angels and archangels and ask them to guide you as to which is the pile which you should pick today. Okay, so this is pile 1. Let's see what is the card. Palace of Coins. That's a beautiful card, but let's pick another one or two cards. Magician. A beautiful combo has come. I will keep this card aside. First, we will finish the pile 1. Magician, Palace of Coins, and the Wheel. So it's a beautiful change which is going to come. Alright, so usually Palace of Coins comes where the universe is indicating that you need a break or you need to rest for some time. Yes, I know you have been working hard and things are working magically now, and I'm asking you to take a break. Maybe not a bigger break, maybe a break for a few hours or a day or two where you can just sit and you can plan. Now when you sit and plan your next course, what happens is things start working magically for you and the time changes or time brings in for good. But overall, when I'm seeing these cards, I feel there's a lot of abundance coming, there's a lot of prosperity coming your way, and today somewhere your day will be beautiful and your day will go well planned, and you will be able to happily end the day with a happy note that things were in your favor. So today I would suggest to wear the color green, specifically dark green if possible, and also in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30 to do the Kuber Mudra, because the day is of manifestation today. So why not make use of it? And in the morning, while having bath, add a little bit of rose water to your bath water and have a bath. And in the morning, if you can chant the Kuber mantra or any mantra related to Lakshmi or Ganpati which you like, you can even chant that, and I'm sure the day is going to be in your favor. So let's now, I hope you all liked this reading, so do let me know if it was resonating. Now let's go to the pile 2. The first card which has come is the 9 of Coins. Again, a beautiful card where you are just full of luxuries and happiness. So let's see what is the next card. 5 of Wands. I don't see this as a fighting card. I see this as a teamwork card. I feel as if there's some teamwork going on. But let's just pull out one more card. Okay, that's the King of Cups. So again, an amazing combination. If you see this combination, I feel that with teamwork, a lot of abundance will be achieved, a lot of achievements will be achieved, and you'll feel happy that financially you were able to achieve what you wanted. At the same time, I feel there is a lack of concentration from your part when it comes to your personal life. You need to look out at your personal life, you need to focus a bit on that part of your life also, because somewhere I feel that part your attention is missing and people at home are wanting your attention and care. So maybe you need to look into it. So today, why not spend some time with your loved ones in the evening when you go back home, or if you're a person who works from home, just go out somewhere, pick up some small treats or gifts for your family members, surprise them and make them happy, take them out for a dinner, and I'm sure whatever they feel is the missing part, they will be happy that you took out the time and concern for them. Overall, a day of abundance, happiness, teamwork. Stay blessed, and I hope you all have a blessed day too. Thank you.